Hey you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching Toya JTV. Today, I want to give you a ridiculously simple way to make your dry hair look shiny with just one product. Okay, that product is the Silky Serum Oil in my line by L. Jones, and that it comes in a little bottle like this. Okay, it's only about 2 ounces in here, but a little goes a long way. Normally when I'm pressing my hair out or flat ironing my hair or doing silk presses in my salon, I'll use like maybe like a dime size to a nickel. If you have a ton of hair, I'll do a nickel size, but normally I do like about a dime size amount into like wet or damp hair, blow dry it in, and then when you flat iron it, you can see the shine instantly, and you don't have to put anything else on it on top of that. All right, I mean, I'm all about making your hair care routine simple and just letting your hair grow and do its thing. So this is such a simple thing. Like I said, after you shampoo it and condition it, just put a little bit of that in, rub it in, put it all in your hair, blow dry it, flat iron, boom, you're done. Okay, and your hair has an instant shine. This product can be purchased on my website, byLJonesProducts.com, and we'll ship it right out to you. So there you have it. And if you don't have this oil serum, you can use other oil serums, but you just want to make sure it says serum, because they tend to be a little bit more lightweight than just straight out oil. Okay, you want your hair to be lightweight so that it can have body in it and it can move and flow and all that good stuff. All right, so I hope that helped you all. Thank you for watching Toya JTV. Be sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye bye.